Hey guys, welcome to Indie Game Hustle. In this UModeler video, we're going to take a look at the follow tool. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is click on this new UModeler object, and we're going to create an object here in our scene. All right, so to create an object, we're going to go ahead and use the line tool to create an object. All right, so what I'm going to do is go into my top-down view, and I'm going to create something kind of like a representative of a wall. So I'll just go ahead and click here. Like so. And what we're trying to do ultimately is create something that can follow along a path, right? And here we go. And I'll put a little thing here. And I'll go just like this, boom, just like that. And I'm gonna hit escape to get out of that. And I want this actually to be flat, like that. All right, great. So this is just us creating an object here. All right, great. And so now that we have this object, let me go ahead and I'm going to use a tool we haven't discussed yet. It's just gonna be the pivot to center tool, and I'm just gonna hit center on that so it's there. All right. And then I'm going to rotate this like so. And then I'm going to go ahead and bring this object up. All right. So the follow tool is actually pretty cool. It's probably easier to show you than to explain it. So say we have this and we want this piece to turn into a wall. Well, you could technically just kind of like extrude it out and then you can make duplicates, but we're going to do something a bit more automatic, right? So what I'm going to do is have this object selected, and then while this object is selected, I'm going to select the line tool, and then I'm going to go in a top-down view, and this is our object here. But from here, what I'm going to do is start creating a line. Now remember, this object is still selected. So when I click this line, I'm going to create a wall. Okay. And we're just going to make something not too detailed, but detailed enough. To keep us doing something pretty cool. All right. And I'll call that it. All right. So that's my last point that I want. Now, before I let this go, I want to make sure that force closed is unchecked. All right, so I'm gonna hit confirm. All right, so that's gonna be the way we want this mesh or this piece to follow along this line here. Okay, all right, great. All right, so now, because we had this selected, when we selected the line tool, they're one and the same. They're the same mesh. So what I'm gonna do is hit the face tool. And then what I'm going to do is select the face first. This is selecting the face we want to follow. And then if you notice, the line tool also has a point. We're going to then select this point. And then in the category add, we're going to go all the way to the right here. And you're going to see the icon follow tool. And then I'm going to click it. Boom. And so now we've created from that piece, it's going to create all along here and create us a nice little wall here. So this is giving us a little bit of detail to kind of work with. And just to see that better, I can kind of rotate the lighting situation here, right? Very cool. And that is how you use the follow tool. It's a pretty cool tool. This is just a quick way to show you how it works, but you can use this for all types of different things. But for now, I think that's one of the ways you can use it. So I'd love to see how you guys use it. Hit me up in the comment section if you have any questions. All right, and that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video.